Yo, 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 big dog in the house. What's happening, people? Everything's good. Well, I got some bad news again. They canceled my the biopsy that was supposed to be on the second on Friday. They canceled it. Now they gave me a new date, the 26th of August, almost a whole month. And their excuse is that they're short of an anesthesiologist, and that's their excuse. So I called my doctor, Dr. Khan, my chemo doctor, and he wasn't having it. He says that's not acceptable. I need these things done now, and I think he's on their asses. Let's see what happens. They haven't called me. They called me. This was two days ago when they called me. I think it was Monday when they told me the bad news. So anyway, I'm waiting for a call from them. See what they're gonna do. Reschedule. You gotta reschedule me earlier thing. You know? And the thing is, I wish I could call the office there, the surgeons, the doctors, stuff, and talk to the secretaries, but get on their asses. But ain't not much I could do. My doctor is the one that could get on his ass and get on that surgeon's ass because he's the only one that's qualified for this thing supposedly. I don't know. I don't know. It is what it is. It is what it is. I'm still here. I started to train another train thing. I took my whole thing out of here. I took it next door. I got a video on that, clips on that, and So I'm been gonna be busy all these days. On the 5th, on Monday, I gotta take Christopher to the dentist. He's gonna get some crowns and some stuff done in his teeth. Try to save this tooth that he has in the back has cracked in half. They're gonna try to save half of it at least. And what else? I got a lot of things. And then on the 14th, I gotta take him again. And then sometime the 22nd, I think I gotta take him to. Oh yeah. I already took him to his first primary visit. That was when was it? That was Tuesday. Busy. So he's good. So let me show you the clip what I'm doing inside. I'm gonna play with the train. I'm nuts. I'm in the other apartment next to my apartment. This is the one that gets flooded and it's empty. So I figured start my build. Oh boy. Yep. I'm starting my build here. Got more room here, definitely. Definitely. Yep. So this will take a long time to set up. By the time I figure out a track and man. But I might do some more extensions here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do some more extensions. All the junk. All this thing was in the apartment over there next door to me. So this is the that's where I live at. That's my apartment. And that's connected to this apartment. Well, not connected, but this apartment is not rentable. It gets flooded. You gotta remember this where I'm at right now. This is all a wash. This whole place, Paul's section, this section, all this whole section used to be a wash. So when it rains up in the mountain, all that water comes down. Yeah, and I'll show you. Yeah, guys, this is not easy. The waiting, going through all. Yeah, this is the rest of the house. Nice. Another entrance. Let's go outside. Another room. I think there's 1, 2, 3 sleeping rooms. What's happening? Alrighty. Hanging in there, brother. Alright, bro. Keep cool. Yeah, so this is the rest of the house. There's a pool here. You know, I thought about it, but everything is here. You got the motors and everything there, you know, stuff. And I thought about, well, man, that's a lot of money in water. And that would have been nice. It'd be nice and cool there. Yeah. So all this is a wash. All the water that comes down that mountain comes down here, comes down this wash here, over here on the side. All this gets flooded. You can see she has all that stuff there. And that wall right there is where the water comes down. Some of the water, a lot of water, comes down and it crosses my gate, crosses Paul's gate, and it goes into that wash over there. But this is all uneven and everything goes into the yard and this whole place gets flooded. Yeah, so that's where this gypsy's at. Yeah. Yeah. Gypsy's still here for sale. I'm asking 22,000. Make me an offer. Make me an offer. If you want it for 18,000, it has to be cash, all cash, and you'll take it for 18,000. I need to sell it. I need to get it out of it. I need to get rid of it. I need to buy Paul's truck. I need to do some other stuff. I need some money. I can't work, can't do shit. Well, anyway, guys. Yeah, I brought all the foam stuff. See if I could probably use it. This is all the junk. So much junk. Let me close this up. That's it for this. It's already about 10 o'clock and it's already hot. You can't do nothing else here. Yeah, that's it. Once it gets hot, yeah. Yeah, guys, so, yeah, this doctor stuff, it's not easy, man. Everything was good, you know. For almost 2 years, I had never had no problems, you know. They put this date, bam, it was on there. Man, oh, man, I'm going to show you what Frank... Isn't that cool? Huh? Sheesh. I'm happy than picking shit. Yep. Yeah, baby. Isn't that cool? Well, man, it's only like 10 something. It's already unbelievable. Yeah. So that's it, guys. I'm on the wait. I'm waiting for them to call me. They're supposed to call me, give me a new date. I still got like a whole month to wait. It's unacceptable, but it is what it is. You know, it is what it is. All right, guys. just want to let y'all guys know everything is okay with me. Tortoise, he's somewhere in there. Yeah. Yep. See, now I got room. Now I gotta clean all this up. There go Foxy. Yep. Alright guys, I ain't got nothing else. That's all I got. Just take it one day at a time. I'm going through some pains and stuff, and medications work. I'm trying to avoid the medication, try to take it as little as I can with those pills, man. Anyway, that's it. There go the Finch, I have it inside. So that's it, guys. I got nothing else to talk about. Everything is good. Everything is good with Foxy. Everything's good with me. Christopher's in school. I'm just hanging out. Waiting. That's all I could do in the waiting game. Alright, guys. Y'all take care. I'll talk to y'all at another time. I'll let y'all know what they've done, what date, whatever. Unfortunately, this is the stuff you got to go through. All right, man. Peace. Yeah, so they called me back from the Banner Health thing, and they got it for Tuesday, the 6th of August. Well, my doctor got on their butt, so yeah, so I have to be there Tuesday at 10. I have to be there at I have to be there at 10:30. Well, that's it. At least I got it going in. It's a good thing. All right. Just wanted to put that in there just before I close this up.